Good evening, everyone. Journalism Day today. Today is Journalism Day, a day to recognize the vital role of journalism in our society. We take this moment to honor the courage, dedication, and integrity of journalists who work tirelessly to bring us the truth, often facing risks and challenges in the line of duty. In a world driven by information, responsible journalism is more important than ever. It builds an informed society, safeguards democracy, and gives a voice to the unheard. Let us show our support for those who uphold press freedom, truth, and ethics reporting. On this Journalism Day, let's please to value truth, sport, free expression, and respect the journalists who make it all possible. Stay informed, stay empowered. Farmers will get relief from waterlogging. Work on the scheme has started. Sunil Satpal Sangwan. Farmers of dozens of villages of Dadri Assembly will soon get relief from waterlogging in their fields. Rainwater will be removed from the fields by using pipes using special technology as per the scheme. Announced by the government, the irrigation department will release water directly into the canals. In such a situation, there will be double benefit. Firstly, water will be removed from the farmers' fields and water will be supplied where it is needed. The concerned department is working vigorously on the ground. While giving this information, Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan said that the promise made in the manifesto during the elections is being implemented on the ground. In view of the problems of the farmers, recently the Chief Minister of the state, Naib Singh Saini, had announced a special package is especially for Charkhi Dadri. As per the announcement, work has started on the scheme of removing rainwater from the fields by the concerned departments. The MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan said that now the farmers will not only get relief from the problem of waterlogging, but those farmers will also get benefits whose fields did not get water. After the launch of the scheme, farmers will also get relief from the losses they face every year. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan said that the deputy government of the state is taking forward the development in Charkhi Dadri area. Soon development will be visible on the ground in Charkhi Dadri. He said that taking inspiration from his father, former Minister late Satpal Sangwan, he is constantly trying to establish new dimensions of development in Charkhi Dadri area. The deputy commissioner had a direct dialogue with the villagers in Charkhi village. Night study program is a symbol of administrative resolve. Promote a hearing was in on the problems of the villagers. Realizing the initiative of the Chief Minister of the state, Sri Naib Singh Saini, the district administration organized a night stay program in Charkhi village. The villagers participated enthusiastically in the program and communicated directly with the district administration and put forth their problems and demands regarding village development. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, while presiding over the night stay program, communicated directly with the villagers and resolved their problems on the spot. He said that this program is part of the vision of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, under which the officers themselves go to the villages and understand the problems at the ground level and resolve them promptly. The government is full aware of the fact that the benefits of the schemes should reach the last person with the spirit of Antyodaya. The villagers should be fully aware of their rights and facilities. He called upon the villagers to join the administration and take advantage of various schemes and also give their suggestions openly. He said that organizing night study is the most effective means of the director connection with the public. The district administration goes among the people and gets to know their problems. This step is realizing the idea of good governance. As per the instructions of the state government, night stay is being organized in one village every month. This time the program has been organized in Charkhi village so that the distance between the administration and public can be eliminated. He asked the villagers to join the civil defense team regarding national security disaster for these camps are being organized. As many citizens as possible should register. He called upon the villagers to come forward together for the beautification of the village. On this occasion, Superintendent of Police Arsh Verma motivated the villagers to follow traffic rules. He made the villagers aware of the need for a drug-free life and cyber security. He said that drug addiction affects not only personal life but also the family and society. He said that in the digital age, there is a need to be alert about cyber crimes. The villagers also participated enthusiastically in the program organized in the village and put their problems and suggestions before the officials. The villagers put their problems one by one. 80 complaints were heard in the program. Many problems were solved on the spot, and for those problems which could not be solved on the spot, instructions were given to take immediate further action, which further depend the trust of the villagers in the administration. Villagers, Ravinder Naresh, football player Rajendra Munirani, at Extra called the night study program a good initiative of the state government. The successful organization of the night study program proved that the administration is fully committed to go among the public and communicate directly and give priority to their interests. National Lok Adalat will be organized in District Charkhi Dadri on July 12 by the National Legal Services Authority and Haryana State Legal Services Authority. In the above court, you can settle your cases by yourself and through your advocate for the Chromopage Agreement. Secretary of District Legal Services Authority and CGM Sanjeev Kajla said that in order to resolve the cases pending in the court through mutual cooperation and atheistic medium, National Legal Services Authority and Haryana State Legal Services Authority will organize National Lok Adalat on 12 July in District and Session Court Complex, Charkhi Dadri. He said that if any person has a case pending in the court, then he get it resolved through Lok Adalat in Lok Adalat. The dispute is resolved with the consent of the parties in the aesthetic environment by mutual consent, the compromise of both the parties. This gives benefits like quick and easy justice, no appeal, file settlement, saving of time, bank loan related cases, Motor Vehicle Act, NI Act, criminal revenue, matrimonial disputes will be settled in the National Lok Adalat. CGM said that Lok Adalat is proving to be very effective in cases which can be resolved through mutual consent, and the cases heard in the Lok Adalat are as important as the decisions given in normal court. So thank you very much for this watching PPT News. And friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. So take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, jai hind, jai bharat, take care.